Hi everybody, today I am planning to go on a street photography to MG Road. So I plan to drive halfway and from there take the metro and see whether I can find some great shots on the metro too. And I'm taking my Fuji X100v, which is kind of a small camera. Okay, see you there. I was expecting an empty metro, but it was sufficiently crowded to make people uncomfortable if I was taking photos. So I didn't take any photos. This is the MG Road metro station, and opposite to this is the iconic Higginbotham's building. I felt this rustic old building would look good in black and white. There, opposite to Anil Kumble's circle, there is this rustic building with the stripped down poster, which I felt was kinda interesting. When you're doing street photography, you gotta be on the lookout for leading lines, patterns, and anything unusual. That's a man relaxing 1 feet off his flip-flop, looking at his mobile and his food packet hanging on the knob below the COVID helpline poster. Woo, that was such a narrow shave. If the car had scratched the auto, I would have witnessed an interesting scene. The best thing about X100v is how light, compact and powerful it is. I can carry it along the whole day. Because the camera is small, people are not intimidated, and when I point the camera at them, they just look at it curiously. As I walked around, I noticed how engrossed people are on their mobile phones. That's a side project that I'm working on, and once I have enough diverse projects, that could turn out to be my next photo book. If you would like to look at my earlier photo book, I will leave a link in the description. This artist portrayed a nostalgic feeling, sitting next to a windowsill on the main road and sketching as if time stopped for him. That's me. Another person of the many engrossed in his phone. I saw this person taking his siesta in the bus. However, on second thoughts, I did not process the photo. If you enjoyed this video, do like, comment and subscribe. Your feedback will help me making more such videos.